Hello, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and in this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing and all the different ways to use my Icon on the Go mini ring light. I finally received my Icon on the Go ring light from Elizabeth DeMoraes. She's out of Dallas. I followed her for a while. Oh, how sweet. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. We have a little card here. She is so wonderful. She teaches confidence on camera, and she sells ring light kits and backgrounds and all kind of stuff. Thank you. That is the personal touch, you guys. The personal touch. And this is the Icon on the Go mini. And she also does the video glam cam kit, and she is also a confidence coach. We will tag her in this. It's so wonderful. Now this is a little mini. You see it comes with all the attachments. The charger, it's supposed to go anywhere. There's a suction cup. There's a phone holder and the USB devices and everything. So I will put this all together, and you guys, we will see. I'll make another video, but they are on sale, $52 and some odd cents. And the summer sale is free shipping. We love you, Elizabeth. Thank you so very much. I have my Icon on the Go mini assembled, and it was super easy. All the attachments come included in it, and here is the attachment for the phone where you can make videos. It can go either way. There's an on and off switch here in the middle, and when you press, it changes to get the exact glow that you want. And the other side does this as well. And this side is intensity, and this side is the colors. And as you can see, you can turn it to where it's a more blue or white light, or the more golden look, just by sliding your finger across the little button. It has a UV plug in the back right there, and it plugs into the wall or into your computer. We got this, let's see if we can, it's got a suction cup, so you can put it on a mirror, on the car window, anywhere you are. You just put the suction cup and press the little thing down here. And it is amazing. I can't wait to start making videos. And also, you can hook it to the back of your computer if you're doing Facebook Lives or anything like that. You just attach the bottom part here where it says press. You do the little latch. Now, the light itself has a range of motion, so I found out that I'm going to have to do this, push it down a little bit, so when I open the laptop, it is perfect for videos on your computer. You actually can stick this thing anywhere. I have tried it on my bathroom mirror and everything. It is so fun. I can't wait to try it. Thank you, Elizabeth. And look here, so easy to attach to the bathroom mirror as well. So you could actually come in here and without the phone attachment and put your makeup on and see yourself. This is the best investment I have made in so many years. I can't wait to show you. Thank you. You guys have to try this. Icon on the Go mini, Elizabeth DeMoraes. I will put the link in the comments below. And this is me sitting in front of the ring light. I just wanted to show you the different, what it looks like when you're sitting in front of it and how it can change the intensity and the light. If you want like a glow, ooh, that's dark and moody. Wow. And also the brightness and the intensity on the other side. It's the level of brightness. And on this side, on the left side, it is which glow you want. It is the best investment, ladies. If you are into making videos or just want to look better on social media, like I said, it's on sale now. I don't know for how much longer it will be on sale, but you guys have got to check out Elizabeth DeMoraes. She is icononthego.com, and I will put all the links below, like I said. But anyway, thanks. Much love. Love it, Elizabeth.